Welcome and welcome back to All Things Home on a Budget. If this is your first time here, my name is Melinda, and I wanted to share with you a fall outdoor wreath DIY. Now, I have this beautiful faux wreath from the Dollar General. It was $10. It's a green dot purchase, and I was able to score two for the price of one. Now, I took all of the florals and greenery off. As you see, there is some glue left over. So I'm going to use the back side because I don't want to put the florals all the way around the entire wreath. So we're going to get this design with some of the florals and some of the greenery, and then some other floral picks from Dollar Tree to get this designed. Now, if you like doing things on a budget, but you are really not sure how to create something like this on your own, well, stay tuned because you're in store for something that's easy and high end. I'm not going to use any glue because of the fact I want to use this wreath again for a different time or season. So sit back, relax, enjoy the content as we put this wreath together. Now stay tuned because I'm going to style these. I'm going to style these outdoor on my fence. I'm actually going to have three. I'm just only going to show you one on camera. But it's definitely budget friendly because if you go and order this from someone that creates these, or if you even just decided, well, hey, I'm going to make this my own, and you go purchase a reform for the very first time from another high-end store, you're going to probably spend a pretty good coin, but actually getting one free for when I paid the price for one, that's my type of shopping, okay? Well, anyhow, anyway, let's get this together, okay? So you keep on watching. All right, so we're wrapping this up, but when you see the final reveal, some things been moving around a little bit because as I hung it up, I realized that things needed to be switched around. So if you enjoyed the content and you're not a part of the family, consider joining, subscribe, hit the bell as well. Thumbs it up if you like anything. Comment down below about what it is you do like. Let's take a look at this outdoor wreath, baby, that we're going to style for fall 2025.